Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Gather 3 basic tools before you begin. Use a spring bar tool and a small pin punch. Keep a soft pad and tweezers handy to protect finishes. Measure your wrist circumference in millimeters with a tape or ruler. Subtract 10 to 20 millimeters for a snug yet comfortable fit. Count removable links and check arrow directions on link undersides. Photograph the original band orientation to ensure correct reassembly later. Work on a padded surface to avoid scratches and dropped pins. Locate arrows on the links and push pins in the arrow direction. Use a 1.5 millimeter punch and light mallet for steady pressure. Remove one link at a time and store pins and collars in small containers. If adding links, align the end pieces before inserting pins. Reassemble by aligning holes precisely and reinserting pins until they sit flush. Check your clasp type for micro-adjust positions and removable spring bars. Use the clasp holes to fine-tune fit by increments of 2 to 4 millimeters. Move the spring bar 1 notch until the band feels secure and comfortable. Reinstall spring bars into end links carefully, ensuring each bar clicks into its hole. Test the watch stability by closing the clasp and wearing it for 5 minutes. Inspect each pin and link by gently pulling to confirm secure assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.